Hey everybody, welcome back to the Miniac, and we are on the hunt for something very elusive in the Mini community. It is a John Cooper Works Clubman, and this is a continuation of the Dream Garage series sponsored by OutMotoring.com. Now, when I say elusive, it is a very rare car, but I'm going even rarer today. I'm trying to find a John Cooper Works Clubman with a manual. And I know for a fact that they're going to be incredibly hard to find because the people that tend to own them don't typically sell them. So it could be a challenge. I could be looking for a JCW Clubman with a manual, or I could be looking for a Cooper S with the JCW package in a manual. Now here's the thing about the car. The Clubman was relaunched as the F54 in 2016, and this time it was on the UK L2 platform, which was shared with the Mini Countryman and a few BMW models. It featured a 6-speed automatic if it was front-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic if it was all-wheel drive, and 6-speed manual for both. Now here's the thing about the manual. It was a very good manual, but it was not the 6-speed Getrag if you had the all-wheel drive variant. It in fact was a 6-speed Aisin manual. Now the car overall was a much larger vehicle than its predecessor, and it even skipped a model year, ending production in 2014 before beginning production again in 2016. Now, this car is one of my favorites. I've driven one, and it would be interesting to try to find one. And so far, I have not found one. So, we're going to see if we can figure that out today. Now, as far as the F cars go, you're looking at the B48 or B46 engine, depending on model. You're looking at a horsepower range for this particular one of 228 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, with a 0 to 60 time of about 4.9 to 5 seconds, depending on vehicle, and it uses the all-4 all-wheel drive system. Now, this is a great vehicle. I think it's a great family car as well, but I'm also very picky about my cars, so I'm wanting this in a certain configuration, and I'm going to try to find one in a manual. If I don't succeed, you're going to have to tune in to the next video when we hunt down the LCI JCW Clubman, and that one is the 301 horsepower monster of a car. But let's dive in. So I'm back at Auto Trader, and as you can see, I did select manual this time, and so far I'm not having any luck here. So I've been scrolling through this, and I'm seeing some that have, this one has the JCW body kit, but it is a Cooper. So there's that problem. This one is pure burgundy, which is a beautiful color, very rare, but we're gonna pull that one up just to have it. It's also front wheel drive, so I don't want a front wheel drive, which means, we might need to go to cars.com. Okay, so we're on cars.com, and let's see if we can continue this search. This is a unicorn of a car. This could end up being a very short video if I can't find one. Now here's the thing, if I do find one, that's the only one out there, and which means I'm going to be buying it for the Dream Garage if I were to actually buy these vehicles. Okay, this looks like a Cooper S with the JCW body kit, so we're going to pull that one up. Oh, I hope this is what I think it is. Okay, we're going to hold on to that one. I'm going to keep looking. That Cooper's actually kind of nice looking. Okay, so I think I found one. And when I say one, I think I found one. But let's dive back into Auto Trader. So here was that pure burgundy 2019. Now that's not a bad looking car. It's in Seattle. It's at Seattle Mini. Good looking vehicle overall. Manual transmission. Not my favorite seats. They are power seats though, but it is a manual transmission. Okay. So I want a JCW if we're gonna do this. Let's look at this one though. This one has a JCW body kit on it, but it is not a manual like they told me. They lied to me. This one is in fact an automatic, and it's front wheel drive. So let's go look at that JCW that we found. And here it is. This one is $14,990, has 89,000 miles, chili red roof. Please tell me this is a manual, because I sorted it by manual, so this better be a manual. It's missing the little cap. It's missing the little cap on the front bumper there. That can be replaced. That can be replaced. Let's see if it's a manual. It has the it has the really good interior. That has a really good interior. Let's see if we can find the shifter. Okay, they are really hiding the shifter from me. I can't tell. Ah, it's not a manual. Oh no, it's not a manual. It's an automatic. Darn. Hello. What's this? Okay, it's not a manual, but it does have an Venturi intake. So there is that going for it. Harman Kardon Head-up display, has the right interior, panorama sunroof, not that I care. Oh, it has the nice interior though. It doesn't have the manual. Oh, it's a good looking car though. Alright, it's a decent looking car. Now, did I select manual when I specified? Yes, I specified manual. So, apparently, cars.com doesn't know the difference. So, let's turn off that, and let's be very specific now. So, we're not going to find a manual JCW Clubman right now. Pre-LCI, that is. So, let's see if I can find a John Cooper Works. Now, there are two on cars.com. A white one and the black one. Both really cheap. Well, $14,000 versus $900. We'll see what happens there. Let's go back to Auto Trader. So, the manual was a dud. We're not going to find a manual in that one. That's disappointing. So, turn off the manual search, and let's select John Cooper Works. So, pre-LCI John Cooper Works. We have this one, and let's go back to cars.com, and we have this white one. Alright, let's start with this one. This is gray, decent looking. Doesn't seem as well equipped as the previous one. Okay, very few photos. I don't like that. Need to have more photos. Nix it. Okay, this is not a bad looking one. Nice interior. Okay, nix that one. Let's go back over here. Still have the one with the Aventuri. We also have this white one, which at $10,000 is really cheap with 111,000 miles. Now, hear me out here. That seems like a lot of mileage, but I do have a JCW sitting in my driveway with 118,000 miles on the original engine and the original clutch without any major issues. So here's the thing. The reliability of these cars, insane. So I don't think you're going to have to worry about it too much. The other thing about the pre-LCI cars is, regardless of what transmission you put in them, they're tunable. So we could get more power out of this car. But this one is white. Or is it white silver? Can't tell. Nice wheels, nice side stripes, nice interior. Okay, not bad, not bad, not barely. It's not a bad vehicle. Not a fan of that interior though, unfortunately. I do not like, for the JCWs, it's really hard to get me to like the lounge leather. So, nix that one. So here it is. For the Dream Garage, the pre-LCI JCW Clubman is going to be this 2017 with an automatic, but it does have an Aventuri carbon fiber intake. And what's the price on this vehicle? It is $15,000 with 89,000 miles. I consider that a win here. So, midnight black, chili red roof, chili red mirror caps. Can't go wrong with it. All 4 all-wheel drive. If only I could have found a manual, but I didn't. And that's incredibly disappointing. But tune in next time when I'm going to find the perfect 301 horsepower JCW Clubman LCI. And that should be fun because there are probably a lot more out there. And I do know exactly what spec I'm looking for. And it might be a launch edition. On the other hand, it might be a chili red. I don't know yet. But until then, thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.